Good morning guys. So for today we're going to Fancy Pan. Tayo sa bundok. So may ticket. So Sun World din to. Siya rin yung may hawak ng Golden Bridge sa Danang Lady Hill Resort. So we're now inside. Ganda ng bundok. So sasakay po kami ng cable car. It was listed na longest sa Guinness to, 3-rope cable car to. 6.3 something kilometers. It will take about 20 minutes para makarating sa taas. Yun! So, see you sa cable car. We will take another video for our cable car. So tapos na po tayo sa Fancy Pan Village from Vietnam. Yahoo!